Epstein files, it's one of the most unfortunate association with Epstein and our petroleum minister Hardeep Puri, and their allegations that about the prime minister as well. So you see the sort of people they have kept association with, and Epstein was a person who was a pedophile, and then he was a rapist. He was everything what a person should not be, and the BJP leaders were more than happy to get associated with him for I don't know whatever the favors are. Then they say they were trying to promote India's cause and India's bidding, but what I don't understand, Epstein never had any official position with the US government or anything. So, and if you just see what was the necessity for the PM or Hardeep Puri, Anil Ambani and all of them to keep in touch with such a dubious character.